Welcome to another video from Digital Dovetail. This video is going to be on how to download and install the Arduino IDE software. First, open up Google Chrome. Then you want to type in Arduino IDE. Open up Arduino software and click on the top one, Windows Installer. Scroll down to Just Download. You can see it down there on the left hand bottom corner, downloading. This takes probably a minute or so. I'll just speed up the process. Once it's finished downloading, go down to that bottom left hand corner and click on that icon. Execute file. Agree to the terms and conditions. And then go next. Everything there is what you want. And install. I sped that process up. It probably takes a couple of minutes to fully install. Once that's done, close that window, close out of Google Chrome. You have a desktop shortcut Arduino, double click on that to open it. And now you have the software where you can type in your Arduino sketch and you're ready to start programming. Thanks for watching another video by Digital Dovetail. Like and subscribe.